because there's an itch, just because I want to sound clarity.
I hope so.
I hope so too.
Only one way to find out.
I feel like you guys are judging me.
No, we're not judging you at all.
Judgy.
Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, and today we are outside of the closet and we are here at MDLink. Now you know some well enough. So I'm leaving to go to Orlando to shoot my reality show, and you know when you travel you need the COVID test.
Yes.
But I have questions. I have a whole heap of questions. So I'm here with Dr. Che Bowen from MDLink, and tell me a little bit about this drive-through, because this seems very nice and easy. I'm supposed to be in my car, right? But if I'm not in my car, what can I do?
If you're not in your car, then you're also allowed to walk in.
Okay.
But of course, our main service here is the drive-through, and we try to offer as many services as you can, conveniently through the drive-through. It's simple, and we started this drive-through almost 2 years now.
Yeah.
Since the pandemic started, and it's simple. You just drive through. You know, you stay in your car, you drive out. We try to make it as quick, fast, convenient, and accurate
Actually,
as possible.
I have traveled before, and so I have come here before. I know I'm well acquainted with the drive-through as a big traveler, passport stamp up.
One time, calm yourself.
Where you went?
One more than you. I went to Aruba, Jamaica.
Fancy.
I wanna take it.
Okay, so what is it that you're trying to collect? A bit of bugu, or what are you digging for with the swab?
It's
A
actually.
bit of bugu.
I mean, you can call it that, but no, it's not. It's not. It's the tissue. So we try to get as much soft tissue sample of the nasopharynx.
Right.
When COVID first started, they were taking samples far back into the nasopharynx. Now,
Right.
now the tests have evolved, and you can actually take it a little bit shallower, deep into the nasal cavity,
Right.
and you try to get more or less some skin.
Right. Oh my gosh. So it's not really the bugu.
No, it's not really the boo.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Hold on, I
And you
need.
test that.
Yeah, I can't. This is stressing me out. All right, Doc. We brought you. You're off the clock, right? Okay, we can have a little bit.
It's
first.
so icy. It's so icy.
So this is perfect for a nice
Perfect.
hot day, right before
Warm.
you get your nasal tissues dug out. So Lady Bee Mixology. Oh, there's a special one that was for Dr. Bowen.
How do you know that's what he wants, though? You can't just be selfish and take what you want. We have a guest, Jodi.
Okay, sorry.
Doc, which one would you like? Today we have spicy apricot mango thyme. It is made with tequila.
Fancy.
We have elderflower summer passion with red rum.
Oh, we have spicy peach grapefruit mixed with tequila.
So everything has alcohol in it. I'm just asking.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
I think I'll go with the.
Good choice,
spicy-
good
okay,
choice,
excellent
good choice,
choice.
good choice.
I just opened a little ziplock at the top, and here's a straw.
the nice
Trey, which
straw
one are you
man.
giving me?
Oh, I want this tequila spicy apricot, so you
Okay.
can have that one. Doc, these
Just pull it
are.
open.
Yeah,
Well, you just want to
so-
make like a little hole to fit the straw in. There we go. Alright. To the drive-through.
To the drive-through. Thank you, Lady Bee Mixology. Okay, hold on.
Oh, this is lovely.
Let's get on this summer.
So if I drink
Really nice.
enough alcohol, will it like affect the test? Like will it kill the COVID?
Medically speaking, no, it would not affect the test at all.
Okay, fine. We'll
This
just keep
tastes
drinking
nice.
anyway. Yeah?
What do you think, Doc?
This
This
is
is
nice.
yeah? This is really good.
Spicy, flavorful.
Would you like that because you're Trini, and I know Trini's like spicy stuff. One
Yeah.
time when I went to Trinidad, I got tambourine balls and they were full of pepper. It was the worst thing I've ever done.
Trees love everything spicy.
Like you bite down on that tambourine ball because it's a
You think you did it
delicious,
sweet and instead
then,
it got spicy.
Mhm.
Okay, so MDLink, I'm familiar with MDLink from before the pandemic because I just find it's very convenient where you can call in a doctor. I've used it for my daughter.
Oh yeah, MDLink is the same call in the doctor, people. Yes. Stop it.
A lot of people have forgotten, but that is indeed.
I didn't
where
know.
the
No.
company
I
started.
haven't forgotten because I use you guys. I just didn't make the correlation between that call in and you. So it's a reputable thing then. Oh.
Definitely.
I wonder with Tracy. And then, so they have dermatologists and within the Caribbean as well.
Correct.
Right? So you have dermatologists.
Right, we did a
you
show
have-
on them.
Yes, Tracy.
I mean, how do you expect me to remember everything when you feed a Lady Bee every episode? Like, come on! But we called him for Stevie when we thought Stevie had thrush on her tongue and we were in Silver Sands, remember?
Okay, yes.
And we spoke to the dermatologist about the crust on my elbows.
Right.
Right.
And then whenever my daughter is always sick, we think she's just a COVID carrier.
Right.
So yeah.
Was it a video chat or?
It was a video chat, and the doctor was so patient because I had my phone and my phone was rebooting. So I tried to load up on the laptop and I was having issues on my end. And she started to text me and she's like, it's okay, just relax. We'll wait for whatever was happening with me. And I was like, oh, and my anxiety just calmed right down.
Excellent.
Yeah, it was really, really patient.
Yeah, and I like the doctors that you guys have on your Rolodex too, you know? Because
correct, we screen them and we carefully handpick them, make sure they're 100% certified and everything.
No, because I was actually worried about that. In the episode, we'll have to link it. Remember, I was asking the doctor, like, how do I know that you're a real doctor? And I was asking
This is so
now
nice.
that we know this is a reputable establishment, but it's just in a drive.
Tricky approved.
Tricky approved, right? So, Dr. Bowen, I call him Che, we're friends.
Long time friendship.
So the doctors, are there doctors here on site, at the drive-through site?
That's a great question. It's something we have been debating. We have started offering prescription refills, but we offer that currently via telemedicine. So you can come through here and we would connect you with a doctor easily, so you don't have to do it yourself. We put the video in your car, the phone in your car, and you speak with the doctor and you get your prescription quickly refilled, sent to the pharmacy. But we have been toying with the idea of actually having a doctor stationed here so that we can have the in-car medical visits. You drive up and you know you have the flu, the COVID, you need some sort of prescription, urine infection, it burns when you pee, you just tell that to the doctor, have a quick discussion. Maybe he listens to you, checks your vitals, and you're on your way. So
hold on.
What do you think about that? Should we do it?
Yes, because okay, let's say.
Hold on, let me get this straight. So it would be me to drive up and then sit in my car with the doctor?
No, the doctor would be outside, so you would stay in your car.
I would stay in the car and the doctor would be outside the car.
Correct.
This is a mask zone, except for in here. For Tuesdays with Tricky.
I saw the Lysol bring back.
Okay.
So it would be for special conditions, like a quick eye examination. Maybe you want to show the doctor a rash, or a look in your mouth or your throat, your neck, something is scratching you, some allergies even.
So how would you do the pee?
The urine test?
Yeah.
You have to be skilled.
So in your
It's a
car.
front seat thing. Yeah.
Front seat
Yes,
only.
yes,
Okay.
Come on, man. You know how to use a car properly.
I know. Well, I actually did see.
Yeah, we know about this, you know.
I actually did see a video with the little pea cup thing.
Yes,
that comes in handy. Yeah.
The good thing about urine tests is it can actually be diagnosed with symptoms. So if it's burning when you're passing urine, that's usually a clear indication that you have a urine infection. And it can be treated empirically, they call it. So you just give a broad spectrum antibiotic, cover that, and you're treated without even being examined. However, sometimes you may need to actually test that urine. And in that case, you can again drive up to the drive-through. You will actually have to park because you don't pass the urine in your car. Or you can drive home with the urine container, pass the urine, and come back and give it to us. But we do have a sanitized bathroom on site for you to pass the urine, and we send it to a JANAC approved lab for processing.
Okay.
So hold on, you're talking about urine tests.
So you do urine tests right now.
What are you testing for? COVID? What? I'm not understanding. I thought we're COVID testing side. No, you're testing for other things as well?
Correct. So urine can be tested for a number of conditions,
Like
not
what?
just a urine infection. You could have kidney damage. You could have
Pregnancy.
We do pregnancy tests. Drug testing is a big thing for urine, but it more or less checks your genitourinary system.
Liver.
No, just your kidneys. Just your kidneys. So any sort of kidney damage, this can be tested for by a urine test.
Do I need a requisition from a doctor, or can I come here and be like, listen, I need to find out if I have a UTI? Because most times you need a requisition from a
Correct.
doctor.
Where did you learn this word requisition? I've never heard
Lab
of this
requisition form. She's
I know
correct.
that word. I know it though. I know it. Because every time you do plastic surgery, you need a requisition.
Okay. No, the truth.
That's how I know that word.
Okay. That's what the truth.
So do I I need a requisition?
You definitely do. That is in keeping
Man.
with the
Okay.
lab rules.
Okay,
So
fine,
we can give you one right here. That's the good
Oh, I can
news.
get the requisition
You can get it
here?
right here from one of our telemedicine doctors
Yeah.
online, and you just drive through and you're good to go. But you definitely need a requisition form to
Okay.
be tested. That's the proper protocol.
Okay.
Requisition.
And we actually accept all. So any lab requisition form you get, you just bring it to us and we'll.
So if I want to do more plastic surgery, I can come here,
Correct.
but I need blood work, not just a urine test.
Correct.
Do
So
blood work.
you do blood work.
This is a one-stop.
No!
I don't understand.
What's going on? This is crazy.
One-stop shop. Okay, so when I'm ready for my
So this is-
BBL.
no.
Okay, okay.
I have the biggest question about.
Right.
Okay. So let's get this clear.
Right.
Everybody sit.
Okay, sip.
It's really good. I'm enjoying myself.
I know. Good drinks, good company.
Uh-huh.
So we test for COVID.
Off the clock.
We, we test for COVID.
Uh-huh.
We do urine test.
Uh-huh.
We do blood test.
Uh-huh.
And do you give a lollipop at the end?
That's a good question. You
Well-
should give Lady Bee at the end.
I know. Yes.
I'm gonna take that idea and run with it.
But I do think
Free
that,
lollipop.
let's say I do what comes back immediately. So immediately, my COVID test comes back immediately. Like let's say like a
Correct.
15-20 minutes.
Correct.
Anything from my blood tests come back immediately. Anything from my urine tests come back immediately.
No, those have to be processed through a proper system. And
Right.
that takes about 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
The proper lab machine, I should say. But however, we do offer a variety of rapid screening tests.
Okay.
So your pregnancy test will come back right away.
Okay.
Your STD testing, that will come back right away. You
What
can-
what STDs are we testing for?
Sexually transmitted diseases, so we can screen quickly for, of course, HIV,
Right.
syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, herpes.
Crabs? Those damn
Crab.
crabs are a bitch, I must tell you, man.
Crabs is herpes, and
You know,
we
something is
do
something
test
about
for-
you and crabs in a group. But when you were younger, you always.
Crabs?
I don't know.
No, because
How often do people come and check for STDs? Is that something that that people do check for often?
That's a great question.
Thank you.
No, people do not check as often as they should.
How often should you check?
Any symptom you're having,
And I don't need a requisition for that. I can come here and be like, I have an itchy butt, I need a test.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay, well that's good to know.
And what were you asking me? Sorry.
Well, my next question about STDs is, you know, should you and your, you know, I'm a married lady now. I love you, baby. But what I'm asking is, before you have a new sexual partner,
Correct.
do you think that testing for an STD is something that you should do?
100%.
Yeah.
And I think one of the problems why people weren't testing as frequently is because it's not really a private, convenient experience. You know, if you want to just get tested with a new
Yeah,
partner,
that's
you
true.
have to go into a doctor, make
Yeah.
an appointment,
Wait.
sit down, and explain everything.
true.
Yeah.
Or you could just come to our drive-through.
So if I need, alright, let's say I'm single girl, I'm dating,
Woo,
and
girl,
tonight is a night, and I'm like,
Oh wow,
parted.
you're getting it on.
Yeah, I'm getting it on, I'm
Yeah.
like, parted, I
You
need to
shave?
drive it. Huh?
You shave up?
Wax?
Ah,
But I'm not that
smooth.
ready to go because I need to get my test. So what time do we close? What time can I drive in here? How long will it take me to get my results so that I can take my wax booty and get me some?
We open at 7:30 a.m. We close at 5:30 a.m.
That's a good
during
enough
the
time.
week.
Okay,
And on
okay.
the weekends, it's between 9 and 5 p.m. So
Okay.
we're open 7 days a week.
Alright, let's talk about my wax booty. When can I get tested? When do I get my results?
Your
And action tonight. What's happening?
If you come into the drive-through for a rapid STD test, you would verbally receive your results. If it is, depending on the test result, a doctor would have to reveal those results
Oh,
to
really?
you, depending on the result.
Oh God, this is
And,
stressful.
But once everything is in the clear within about 15, just like the antigen
15
test, 15
minutes?
to 30 minutes.
Wow.
So rapid STD test, you're gonna
And
get
I'm
your
driving out
results.
like, woohoo!
Gotta get this.
Yeah,
done.
yeah. Well, I think no. This is really good that people are now aware that you can get tested for STDs quickly, safely, and most of all quickly,
And privately.
And privately.
You know, I
Correct.
just want
Yeah.
to say that I think it is so important for everybody to test yourself and your partner before you start having sexual activity with each other. It is something that I don't think is
normalized
normalized
enough.
Yeah.
It's almost like a big shame thing, or like
when you ask your partner to test, it's like, well, why would you? Like,
should I?
Hello, please. I don't know where you've been, like, you know.
So what is it costing on an STD test? Because I feel like it's way cheaper here than at the doctor.
Correct. It is cheaper. We keep our STD testing in line with our antigen testing. Try to provide affordable access to healthcare. That's our mission, and so it's priced at $4,000 across the board. 4,000 Jamaican dollars.
That's not bad.
Any test you want to do.
Whoa, that's not bad at all.
So okay, $4,000 across the board.
Right.
So when I come for my STD testing, how many STDs do I get tested for $4,000?
Just one.
Just one.
Just one.
So I can only say, oh, I want you to check for. But what if I'm going to? I want you to check for crabs.
We do offer a panel screen where you can screen all of the conditions I listed earlier, and that is a bit discounted at around, I believe, 15,000.
Okay.
Yeah. For everything.
Yeah, that actually is cheaper because I remember keeping in with my word. The last time I did an STD test, which was years ago, there was the inflation of the dollar. Like I would, not do that. But it was much more than $50,000.
So hold on, if I get tested, right, and I'm waiting on my results, and I see you in your lab coat walking towards me,
that's a good sign.
That's not a good sign.
And what you expect him to do? Just stay in the little booth and be like, he's gonna
it's
come and tell you yes or no.
It's important, depending on your result, that a medical practitioner counsels you and
right, because I was just going to say, so let's say I'm positive and you come out to me. Not only are you going to tell me my results, but what happens now? Because now I'm upset, I'm sad, the wax bottom is not going to get shown ever again.
You need a prescription.
Correct.
Right, so what happens now?
The good thing is, again, a lot of these conditions can be treated.
Right.
So once you have received your results, we would encourage you to quickly jump on a telemedicine visit with one of our doctors, and we would prescribe the medication required to treat it, and you can retest later on. But
about how far off do you think I should retest after my first positive test result?
After your first positive test results, I would say it depends on the course of treatment. Some treatments are 1 day. Some treatments go up to 2 weeks. So about 3 days after your treatment is finished, you can test.
Okay. All right, that's not so bad. So the same wax will still be fresh. All right. And I like that you have the because we're sitting here earlier. We saw some gentlemen sitting here.
Correct.
So they didn't come in a car, but they were able to get tested as well. Correct. So you're able to facilitate walk-ins.
Definitely.
Oh, this is like a one-stop shop.
2-foot turbo.
Tracy.
What?
That's what 2-foot turbo.
Dude, when I lived away, all I had was 2-foot turbo.
Yes, that's true. That's
and
right.
I was very
made it happen.
Yeah.
So you take cash, you take credit card. I saw the credit card machines. All right, we're good to go. So what are you testing for today? The crabs.
I would like to do an STD kind of.
Yeah. What do you think's gonna happen to you?
It's going to be a negative all around the board.
You're gonna get a thumbs up?
Yeah, I want doctor to give me the
thumbs up.
Yeah.
To go.
Okay. All right, doc. So we're finished with the MDLink, but we're not finished with you. We're gonna play a game.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
All right. So this game, Tracy and I used to love to play this game when we were younger. Would you rather? All right. Don't worry, everything is going to be nice and decent. But
hold on, how come I'm like almost done my Lady Bee and these two are like just
I'm cautiously.
We're sleeping. We're off the clock, man. We're off the clock. No,
which is why you should have downed it.
I know I'm trying to make the alcohol. I'm slipping slowly so the alcohol can kill anything. Slipping slowly.
You're slipping into a drunk dump.
Would you rather go into the past and meet your ancestors or go into the future and meet your great-great-grandchildren?
Good question.
Future.
Future? Excellent.
Future.
You too?
I would have said the same.
Yeah? Okay. Would you rather have more money or more time? Money. You know me, I go digger. Money. Straight up.
More time.
You have more
Time.
Like you're rich.
Wow. More time. Alright, okay. What you want?
Freedom.
You know,
No, just take more money because I'm sick and tired of you being the poor sister.
Okay, more money. Would
you rather have a rewind button or a pause button on your life? Rewind.
Rewind.
Definitely. Oh wait, okay. second part to that question. Can you remember the moment in your life that you would like to rewind to?
The first time I had crabs.
Whoa. All right.
Just not do that. Just not do that. Not that.
Oh no, I don't remember. That's a very good question.
Che?
Can you repeat it for me?
What you want to rewind to a point in your life, right? So what point would it be? What memory was that for you?
Oh, I know.
Right before COVID.
Right before COVID?
Yeah.
Just I don't want to rewind to the part where I lost my dad's cell phone when I was 16 years old at a party. I don't even know how I lost it because it was on.
I got the blame for that, Tracy.
I know you did. I'm sorry.
Oh my
Joe.
gosh.
I'm sorry about that. But I was so sad about giving you the blame for that I also broke one of Mommy's Christmas plates and she's never been.
You broke the Christmas plate?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my
She's
god.
never been able to replace
It's
it.
discontinued.
I know.
So was she upset with?
Who is she upset
Always
with?
me.
Jodi.
She's a bull in a china shop. She's just rough all over the place. Look at her. Damn Virego. I get the blame for everything.
She does. And her daughter Remy is just like her.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
looks like me. It's crazy. Yeah.
So why you say right before COVID? That's only 2 years ago, and I find that you did really well during COVID.
Well, if you can go back in time, then you can plan better. I'll be able to expand my
You
services.
did very well on your okay. I would say
Doc is not only book smart, he's street
smart. Okay. I would go back to right before I went on student exchange when I was picking what country I wanted to go to. I would have picked a Spanish-speaking country. I went and spent a year in Denmark instead.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I would have gone to a Spanish-speaking
Just for
country.
that purpose?
Yes,
Yeah, I
because
agree
I
with
find too I look Spanish. Dominicano.
Everyone speaks to you in Spanish.
Yes, exactly. And especially I went to go live in Cuba. I had the blonde hair, and they were like Rubio, and I'm like, what? So yeah. These are
That's a good answer.
Yeah. Thank you. Usually my answers are shaky. Would you feel worse if no one showed up to your wedding or to your funeral?
My wedding, I paid so much money for that. Do you know how much I paid ahead? Well, actually nothing because I only had 12 people at my wedding. But like, you're getting free food and drinks. Why wouldn't you show up to us?
I don't know. I think I feel bad if no one turned up to my funeral. I've spent all my life and no one could come and say,
all your life to the world.
Yeah.
No one cares.
Nobody could come and be like, bye, bitch. Like,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, would you rather be without internet for a week or without your phone?
The same thing.
Yeah, but I'd rather be without internet, so at least I could be at home on my laptop, on my WhatsApp.
Yeah. Yeah, so the phone can throw away.
Yeah. And I mean, like, where am I? Because if I'm at the beach, it's not like I'm going to be at the phone anyway. Like, I'm going to be swimming.
But if you didn't post you're at the beach, did you really go?
I'll do a later post because I don't want everybody knowing I'm
where you
there.
are. Okay.
Yeah.
That was an American question. Would you rather lose your vision or your hearing?
Vision or hearing? Hearing.
100%
hearing.
100% hearing.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Would you rather work more hours per day but fewer days, or work fewer hours per day but more days?
Good question. Doc.
These are some good questions.
Yeah, I know.
I would say fewer hours.
Fewer hours?
Yeah, I can work every day
Yeah.
as long as I know it's just
Yeah.
in and out.
I don't know, Doc. I think I'd rather get it over and done with. But that's why I'm not the worker in my relationship, you know? Yeah. I delegate, you know, I'm very good at delegating. Would you rather listen to music from the 70s or music from today?
70s for my time.
Wah, 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 wah.
I know. From Little Yachi.
But what was the
A lot
70s?
has changed. I don't know.
Disco,
70s is
disco.
Disco?
Elvis.
I don't know, I find if I listen too much disco, it's gonna make me feel crazy.
I would have
Now.
to. You now?
Now?
Oh, y'all surprised. Take a sip of that.
Yeah,
I know.
I say, okay.
I know. Like I said, I'm old apparently. I want to go back. I'm like the music.
Yeah, but
now
it's
is
disco.
trash.
Like,
I always
music
like
was
disco.
more
Diana
emotional.
Ross.
yeah, I guess he wants to like grab his skates and go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For your birthday, would you rather receive cash or gifts?
Cash.
Gifts.
Gifts?
I want gifts too.
Really?
Yeah.
With the cash you can get what you want.
But some people
You
don't
don't
give
even
as
have to
much
worry.
money with
Yeah.
the cash.
Oh.
And not
Yeah.
only that, like I
Ask for
want to
gifts.
see if you really know me. Like I remember my husband got very upset one year.
But you know yourself. That's important.
Yeah, I love money, but
You want
I
to
know he's
test.
just up.
You want to test
Yes.
Sean.
Right, so he got me.
So this is not even about the cash, this is about
I
testing
test.
your husband.
But remember the time you gave me the Altoids?
Dragged into this now.
Tracy gave me a little gift of Altoids and Ferrero Rocher one birthday or something, like one stupid little something, and I was like, oh my god, thank you, I love these. The poor sister, yes. And Sean was like, your sister gave me that little foolishness and you were so happy. I gave you this and you were like, I don't like pink. Like, yes, but I find like with gifts you can put a lot of thought into it.
Yeah.
I know she likes this, I know she uses
It
this.
doesn't
I
have
know
to be expensive.
Exactly. Yeah.
Still cash.
Okay, I hear you.
Oh gosh.
Would you rather go to a movie or to dinner alone? Why is this even a thought?
I would do
Food?
I would dinner alone, yeah.
Exactly. Definitely. About some food. What you gonna watch, Tracy? When you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna go to the movies, it's
Watch
so
that
nice.
No, I'm going to go to dinner because I think I'd fall asleep if I was alone in the movie theater. Like I want to hold hands, and I want to like smooch.
In the movie theater?
Yeah.
Would you rather make a phone call or send a text?
People still go to the movie theater? When last you went? Sorry. Backtracking.
Wow.
Just asking. Just put it out there.
Oh wow, a long time ago.
I went before COVID. My husband likes to go to the movie theater.
Yeah, it used
He
to
likes
be
to watch
cool.
Avengers. So we had
The
to.
same movie?
No, it's like
Oh.
Marvel.
Have you been to the drive-thru?
No.
There's a drive-thru movie theater.
There is.
Yeah.
There's a drive-through MDLink.
There's a drive-thru MD. And if you come to this drive-thru, and you get, negative results, you get to go do more fun things after. Like go on a plane.
Yes.
Right.
Like take your waxed booty and get you some.
Right.
Yeah.
Would you rather put a stop to war or end world hunger?
Wow.
End world hunger. These questions are so hard.
I would say I put an end to world hunger simply because so many different people make so much money off of world war. Like this,
Yeah,
to try and stop world war would be way too. There's too many working parts to that. If I try to take on, hi, I'm Jodi from Jamaica and I'd like to end world hunger, they'll be like, alright, leave her over there, make her feed the people. If I try to end world war, they're gonna be like, kill that bitch. You know what I mean?
You know what, Joe? I'm not going to lie to you.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes your answers are so logical and well thought out, and I'm so surprised. That was a good answer. Don't you think about that?
Yeah.
I feel like she prepared.
You're right. She must have. No, she must have prepared for sure.
I did take a glance over. Not gonna lie. Okay. Would you rather spend the night in a luxury hotel room or or camping ground surrounded by beautiful scenery? I'm sorry, to me, an air conditioning unit is the best looking thing ever.
Luxury hotel.
I hear you. Take a sip.
Take a sip.
I won. It was my last sip, though.
What are you? You're outside with the flowers and the bees, aren't you?
Girl, absolutely not. Maybe like 10 years ago, I would have said that. Actually, maybe like a year ago, 2 years ago, I would have said that. But after child labor, I deserve the most. I deserve all the AC in the world. Like nothing can make me want to sleep outside.
Agreed.
Mosquito?
That one was an easy one. Would you rather explore space or the ocean?
Space, Elon
I'm not
Musk.
trying to cheat.
Well, I try and be prepared like she.
I don't know. This is so funny. This question came up. So last night I dreamt that I had to go into outer space and I got really claustrophobic.
Definitely was preparing.
Because I thought I was not preparing. I was not
Yeah, you
preparing.
were.
Did you see the picture from Mars that showed like an entranceway on the surface of Mars recently? No. It can either be a rock fell off or an entrance to
Into Mars?
civilization.
Oh, alright. I'll go in the ocean.
No? That doesn't sound excited?
No.
I mean, I just don't
Would
feel
you-
like
I'm too scared. I'm too scared. Because one time I got really high and I swear aliens came for me. So I'm done with the outer space part.
Now that everyone is going to space, not to Mars. Everyone goes to space, just shoots up and comes back down. Would you do that?
No.
Would you? Let's see.
Yeah, I would.
Come.
Yeah.
Fly
I don't know if I
around
could deal with the like gravity-less and then you're trying to catch your toothbrush and catch the soup. I don't know if I could deal with all of that.
Hope the rocket don't explode.
All that too. I'd rather be in the ocean like, look, the octonauts. You know?
Octonauts.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, so do you think there's life on Mars?
I think there's other life, yes. We just haven't found it or they haven't found us yet.
I don't know.
Or they
There was
don't
a
care.
night in Porty where I swear the aliens came for me.
What? So you've been high. There was a night in Porty.
Crabs.
And they had crabs. Like,
Yeah.
Joe, what's going on over there?
It was all that same night, man.
Oh.
It was a lot. It was a lot. Tell you, man, Port Antonio, be careful. Wild nights. Would you rather lose your keys or lose your cell phone? But how many keys are in the bunch?
Well, if it's Scott, it's
I know.
My husband, he has like this bunch of keys, and I swear to you, Doc, it's like honestly like maybe 20 to 30 keys out the bunch.
Yeah.
I think he do the cell phone.
My cell phone is actually my entire company and life. So I can easily lose my keys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you have that all backed up on a
I should.
laptop.
And
What?
now that you asked this question, I'm like,
Yeah, yeah.
back it up.
So hold on.
Because I have a goat mouth. I do.
So you're the brain behind MDLink. You're not just a doctor. I told you all. You see, I said to you guys, he is not just book smart. He's street smart. You see, I know people. I read them very well.
We've been friends for
Cheche.
15 years. Cha-cha!
No, when I heard it, I was like, Tracy, oh, it's Dr. Che Bowen. She was, Che. I was like, oh, you know him? Yeah, man. You really pulled me. I was like, Tracy, your friend there. She's like, yeah, man. You twit. You really had me, man. Would you rather eat a meal of cow tongue or octopus?
I've had cow tongue.
I've had cow tongue before and I've had
I never.
octopus. Okay.
Have you?
No, I haven't had cow tongue, but octopus
It's very
seems
nice.
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both are fine. As a matter of fact, let's make a stir fry. Both of them are fine. Would you rather have X-ray vision or magnified hearing? Yo. Wow.
X-ray vision, that's the easy one. Don't ask me why.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what? Even if you have magnified hearing and you hear something, you can't prove it to anyone else. It's not like you can be like, oh, well, I heard that, you know? So you
Good
can't.
point.
You can't. So if you have X-ray vision, at least you know what you saw.
I can offer drive-through X-rays.
Yes.
Just come.
Oh, you see, always thinking.
But hold on.
He'd be like, left tibia is broken.
But hold on. I like how Dr. Che was quick to say X-ray vision because, again, not
Yeah.
only street book
Not
smart,
just
but
street
street
smart.
smart.
Yeah, forward thinking too for the MDLink drive-through. Car 50, tibia, broken left side. Would you rather be too hot or too cold?
Too hot. Definitely.
Why? Because you're hot now?
Too hot, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
because
okay,
go back
yeah.
to when you were in Denmark.
Okay, too hot.
Mm-hmm.
When you're old, would you rather die before or after your spouse? Well, my spouse is well old, so I know I'm definitely going after.
It's
You rather die. I know.
kind of harsh. After.
It was very hard. I
I'm a
don't know.
young girl, I'm a
women
young
live
girl.
longer.
Then men,
Yeah.
mm,
Scott already told me
we're
that.
stress free and we're not in an excitement.
I mean, I would rather die before, to be honest with you. I don't want to be sad. I don't want to be sleeping.
Would
in
you
the
rather
bed.
die before or after me?
Wow. Wow.
That's a big one, eh?
Wow.
Never thought of that.
We're dying together.
Yeah. In Trinidad Carnival. On the bridge. Oh,
Yeah, the
that's
bridge.
Dancing James!
I love that bridge. Oh,
You know the bridge, That's not
You know the
Trinidad.
bridge.
You know the bridge.
That's like we see the bridge and then we go towards each other. We're like, oh, happy carnival.
I know, and then we cry.
Yeah. We always have a
You're being
moment.
serious, right?
Yes.
I know.
Would you rather be the youngest or the oldest sibling?
Middle.
You want to
What?
be a middle
I don't think you
child?
should be a middle. She's a middle. It's
I am
horrible.
middle.
You are middle too?
Middle,
Oh.
Best.
Mm.
Best
I
of both
mean-
worlds.
How old is your older sibling?
You can say a year and a half on both
And
sides.
how old? Oh, on both sides. Oh, you're the middle. Oh, well, I like my middle because I got a chance to be the youngest. Because my brother, he's 8 years younger than me, so I was a baby for a good stretch, you know. But I wouldn't want to be the oldest because with that comes a lot of obligations.
And responsibility.
You know? I don't want that. And then the youngest, I
set the
find that the
example.
parents
I
are
got
always
blamed for
hovering,
everything.
hovering,
Yeah.
you know? So I find that the middle is a good ground because, you know, you can be like, oh, I'm the middle child, I have problems.
That's about word.
Yeah.
Pay attention to me.
That is Tracy. Oh, I need help. I'm struggling.
Well,
You guys are mean to me.
So, okay. I want to also get into this, right? Because this is something I did as a middle child. So, because I put out in this, my family dynamic that I was incapable and unable to do things, everybody did things for me, right?
Everybody took care of you.
Right? Everybody took care of me because they're like, oh, Tracy can't manage. Let me just do this for her. Tracy can't manage. And then the day that I was like, oh, I'm leaving, they're like, you can't manage on your own. And then I left, I went away and I did just fine. And they were like,
I had to go and get you.
no, you did not, Jodi.
She wouldn't come home with me. I went to get her and she wouldn't come home.
But like, don't you like that? Is that something that you did? That everybody just like gives and is like, oh, I'll help out, Che. And then you're like, okay, great.
I didn't get that as much as you did.
Oh, I got it.
As a responsible oldest sibling, okay, the middle child, this is not cool, guys. This is not cool. And now you're ganging up on me. No, middle child are not the best. They're needy. You're needy.
And we're responsible and grounded.
Because you learned that from your eldest sibling.
And we always land on our feet.
And we always land on our
Yes,
feet.
because the floor is there for you thanks to your older sibling. Anything else?
Anything else?
This is why
I
we
paved
like
the way.
all this shit.
I know, they're so mean. But we always beg them on money. Beg you something, Joe?
What you want? Okay. Last question. Would you rather be proposed to in private or in front of family and friends? You can't answer that.
No?
No,
I
yeah.
almost answered. Looking out.
Okay, what would you do? Would you rather propose in private or in front of family and friends?
When the time comes, when, you find the right person.
Family and friends, I think, would be the most perfect picture.
Yeah. What would you? When did you get proposed, Diane? Was I there?
No, I got proposed to. It was at I was at Scott's family's Thanksgiving over in New Jersey.
And where you was filming? Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I got a private proposal too, and I just find that I'm such a nuffy shit. This was not up my alley. I was like, where's everybody? Where's the party? What's happening?
I liked my public proposal.
Yes.
It's okay. The ring made up for mine.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you said yes then.
Yeah, I get. Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to test out some of the services offered here at the drive-thru. Tracy's going to check for our crabs, and this they're going to just confirm what we already know. There we go. You're okay, girl. Don't worry, I got you. Spray a little bacon on your foot bottom. Dr. Bowen, thank you so much.
Wait, are you gonna do something?
Like what?
At the drive-thru.
I'm fine with my crabs. What are you talking about? You need to get rid of yours.
You need
can
to
do a
check
blood
for
test.
corona.
Jeez, man, I'm
True.
afraid. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll check for the corona. You check for the crabs.
Okay.
Okay.
You're the one with the allergies.
Yes, I have bad allergies.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I think you should check for the corona. I check for the crabs.
Alright, fine. I'll check for the corona, you check for the crabs. But then what's how are you gonna announce to the world positive on the crabs? I've had crustaceans on my vajayjay.
Well, how are you gonna be
They're
like,
hanging on.
it's not allergies. I really do have COVID for the past like 3 weeks. And I keep blaming Remy. That Remy is a COVID carrier. Meanwhile, it was me.
I know.
Blaming my
Both of them
daughter.
can be medically managed.
Oh.
Medically. Yeah, that's fine. Crabs is just like a bacon. How do you manage crabs? Not bacon.
You treat it. It can't be fully treated. It can be managed.
You have to live with crabs forever?
Yes.
What? I thought crabs were like a little insect, like a flea. Can't you like
Shave
get
the
rid of
hair
them?
and then just
Like,
dust it
kill
in
them?
the area and then like we're good to go again? I'm being serious, like I
No, yeah, I thought crabs could like get rid of.
Okay, I'm gonna have to delete this part from the video.
Why?
Crab is herpes.
So hold on, a crab is not a crab?
No.
Like a flea? They lied. No,
I'm
you sure?
shooketh right now. Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure. You'll have to say.
A crab is like a little flea flea-like thing.
I thought it was like, I've always wondered like, how come they didn't, so there's no bugs in crabs?
There's a bug in a crab. A
We
crab
need
is
to find
a,
out now.
I think it looks like a flea. I mean, I've never seen one.
He says, I need to find out.
Yeah, it's like a
Has to go like this.
and they call it crab louse. And then when somebody this, hey, Gloria, you have your crab louse all up in your, you've never, no?
I mean, maybe
it's
this
a
could be like
Jamaican
the
thing.
time when we thought that there was no difference between a male and a female dog.
Shh, we don't bring that up. We don't bring that up. We got cussed off for that. They're like, you guys are so stupid. Like, but there's one hole.
It's one hole.
It's one hole. One hole. Yeah, the dogs live peacefully. One hole, one life, one love. It's okay. All right, we're not going to discuss that again. Okay, so I'll check for the crabs.
Okay.
And then you check for the COVID.
Okay.
And then you need to check about the crabs.
I'm checking for the crabs.
I think it's like a little flea thing. Like it looks like a lice. Oh no, wait,
And you've
crab
had
louse
it
is
before. You definitely had it before.
No. So maybe I made up something that I thought crabs was a real thing. That's why I'm always teasing her.
You have me second guessing.
So maybe I made something up.
Maybe you're just dirty.
What do you mean I had fleas?
How did you get rid of the crabs?
I never had crabs.
How did you?
No.
You see,
Let's get.
it's almost like a lice on your chuchu. That's what I thought.
So where did you go to school? You went to school out here in Jamaica?
I didn't.
How come you didn't do it in Trinidad?
Because the Jamaican medical school is somewhat better. I mean, there's more exposure to even traumatic. There's more population, so you get more pathology, more conditions.
So no one in Jamaica has had crabs that you've treated?
It's not that common, no.
Okay.
Thank you, lucky stars. Imagine if you had to see that.
Yeah. Like one crawling. Like I really think that they crawl down your leg. And then you have to beg on your clothes.
No.
Is this something that happened in high school that was made up?
I don't know, Joe. Poor Chacha, he's just drinking his
You
drink.
just drink my
He's drinking his
Okay.
tea.
Alright. Well, now we're going to test. We're going to go through the drive-thru. We're going to show you how everything works, and we are going to test. Dr. Bowen, thank you so much for joining us here on our
Thanks,
outside the closet. And yeah, wish us luck, guys. No crabs,
go,
no
let's go,
crabs,
let's
no
get
crabs.
tested.
Okay, let's get tested. Okay, guys, we are in the car and we are heading to get our tests.
I'm trying to make my hair look good. Blow it in the wind.
I'm just taking a sip of some Candy Crush water. Okay. Alright,
Why
ready?
is my hair blowing in the wind?
Is this okay, Trey? Alright, let's go to the beginning of. Okay, here we go.
So here we are.
Okay.
Okay, so we get here and it says, please scan to register. So you have to scan him on your phone. Okay.
Scanning him? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to do security now.
I'm dealing with that.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to MDLink.
Thank you.
Do you have appointment?
No.
Okay, so your vehicle number is 63.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and then you're gonna scan the barcode to register, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening. So
Okay.
just come around for me.
Okay, alright. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy the rest of the evening.
I like how he said enjoy the rest of the evening, like he knows our
I like how I didn't have to tell him that I was here for crabs.
I like how he didn't really ask too much. He's just
Yeah,
into
yeah.
his job.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
don't want to tell too many people you have the crabs, you know?
No, definitely.
Yeah.
not.
Okay, alright. Alright, cool.
So now we're in the AC. Why not?
Yeah,
the
wait.
windows?
Oh, okay.
Hello and welcome to MDLink Drive-Thru. What may I assist you today?
She has crabs.
I do not have crabs.
Oh my gosh. Really sorry to hear. What may I assist you today? What are you doing today?
So I would like to do a COVID test, and Jodi would like to do an STD test. She's going to test for
Crabs.
herpes too.
Okay, no problem. I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Vanessa, just to confirm, you're doing a rapid antigen.
Yes.
Alright, can you ensure that the mask is covering your mouth?
Which, exactly.
Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Exactly, she's doing a rapid antigen.
I like how you said that. Please make sure your mask is covering your mouth.
Yes.
Thank you.
Especially when you're sneezing. Alright. Pull down your mask a little bit. Can you confirm your name?
Tracy.
Alright, chin up. Alright, so what you're gonna do for me, you're gonna follow my instruction, okay? To make it easier for you. Okay? Alright, so breathe in. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up. Relax a little bit. Ready again?
More
Alright, next side. Breathe in.
Oh, lots.
Good job.
Wow. Let me see the bugu. Let's see the bugu.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Good
nice
bugu.
looking bugu.
You did great.
Thank
All right,
you.
so the result will now sent to you within 15 to 30 minutes to your email provided. Have a great day. Be safe. I'm moving on to you, okay?
Oh,
One moment.
okay.
All right, so it's the blood test.
Okay. Woo. Good job, Trey.
That was really scary, but you know
Look at your red.
the nurse was very gentle. That was nice. Look, she's here for you now.
Okay, okay. It's quite a bit of setup here.
It's quite a bit of setup. There we have a fellow blogger behind us. There.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, so
Okay.
it's me again, Nurse Vanessa.
Hi, nurse.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Lord, alright.
All right, just to make it a little bit more private, I'm going to open your door.
Okay.
You're going to wind up this window,
Okay, alright.
Why are you breathing so hard though?
Because taking blood, man, is not my thing. How come I didn't do the COVID test? Oh, alright. How much you taking? Not a lot?
Just pricking the finger.
Oh, that's not bad. Oh, okay.
I'm going to be very, very,
Oh, that's
very,
not bad
very
at all.
All right.
Okay.
Close here.
Oh, you don't want everybody to see what I'm doing. Okay, that's true. It's true. It's true. It's true.
Private,
All right.
private.
Okay.
Here we go.
Not the middle finger. I use that one a lot.
Nah, definitely not. Definitely
Okay.
not.
Whew. All right, that's not so bad. I honestly thought you were gonna draw like blood. You didn't see me ready with my arm out.
I know, but we
Okay.
can definitely arrange that.
No, man, I'm good.
Okay, no problem. But I'm very, very gentle. So it won't
Okay.
be-
All right.
Here,
Okay,
just to
keep-
confirm, can I have your full name?
Jodi Henriquez.
Thank you. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to be up to the
I'm with you doing? Yes.
All right.
Okay.
After we store that one.
Right,
Okay,
yeah,
that's
that's
very,
fine.
very private.
Okay, no problem.
All
It's
right.
private.
First, can I have your finger? So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean off the air to ensure that it's very, 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 very clean. All right.
Okay.
All right. We don't want to prick where you get the little infected. All right. Here we go. Awesome.
A finger infection is not my biggest worry right now, though. It's yeah.
Don't worry about anything.
Okay, all right, cool, okay.
Right here. There we go. Almost there.
All right.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to penetrate the air to ensure that we have enough blood.
Okay.
Alright, good. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick your finger a little bit.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Ow!
Awesome. You're doing great. Alright?
Ooh!
Alright, here we go. Almost there.
Alright.
Almost there. Come on. Come on. Good. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, squeeze on this a little bit.
Okay.
Almost there, okay? There we go. Like so. Whew. 2, 3. Good job.
So you won't tell me anything?
No. So what I'm gonna definitely do for you,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have this sent to your email about 30 minutes time, 30 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
But at the meantime,
Don't be reckless in the meantime.
in
I got
prettier
you.
word. In a prettier
Okay.
word. All right? So stay safe.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
And here's a band-aid.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
It doesn't even have
And
any
thank
mouth.
you for making it MDLink.
Thank you.
We appreciate your Have a great day.
Bye.
Be safe.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any question before I go?
No, that's it.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
And thank you very much.
Wasn't she so gentle?
Too gentle. That really wasn't that
I
bad.
know, I know.
Bye, Chantal. Thank you. Bye. You okay?
Definitely don't have COVID.